Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to the left side to the settings button, so we can open here the advanced camera settings. And let's slide a little bit. Here we have the volume buttons function. When we pick it, we can decide how to use this as shutter or shutter countdown, zoom and volume. Now let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now by tapping on volume keys. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.